All right, everybody, welcome to the Brains Behind Axoniq. This is our first edition, and I have our first guest with us today. Mitchell, I would love for you to give us just a quick introduction behind who you are, what it is that you do at Axoniq.
Yeah, hey Nisha, I am Mitchell. I've been working with Axoniq for about 4 years now. Really enjoying my time so far. I've gone through a plethora of roles. Right now I am doing the lead engineering on the Axoniq Platform, which is like super exciting with all the new AI, monitoring, integrations. Axon Framework 5 is about to be released, so that's super exciting. I am originally from the Netherlands, but I found it a little bit cold and wet there. So at some point I decided to move around and I decided to settle in the Canary Islands. And you're really enjoying my time so far. Whenever I'm not on Slack, you can probably find me along the beach, walking and enjoying the good weather here.
Amazing. We're going to do a few this or that questions, basically rapid fire round, just to get to know you, probably 4 or 5. And then I'm going to end with a deeper question that's going to take maybe longer for you to answer. Cook at home or order in?
Ordering.
Texting or calling?
Texting to meet in person.
Calendar person or vibes person?
Vibes.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee, definitely.
High intensity or yoga?
Higher intensity, but not too high. I don't like cardio. I do more weightlifting.
Perfect. What is the best mistake you've made at work?
When we were launching Axon Console for the first time, we designed a system to handle a certain amount of framework applications because we kind of expected the usage to grow slowly. And so we could get away with less performance optimization at the start to launch earlier. This is like very common in products. You don't over-engineer if you know you're not going to need it. But then one of our customers decided to connect 2,500 applications in an instant, and turns out we only scaled in for 50 applications a day in growth. So yeah, I made a gross mistake in scaling, and that was quite an interesting Friday to work on these scaling issues.
Amazing. Well, I had such a fun time getting to know you really quickly. I know everybody else will too. Mitchell, any last words?
No, see you on the Canary Islands.
And that's a wrap on this episode of Brains Behind Axoniq.